Alright traders, I'm resuming the video. I just entered a second entry long multiple test confirmation of the trend channel line. We have downtrend working lower break, attempt to test the new low, but the market cannot test new low because we are at the bottom of the range. Also, if I'm going to zoom out, we bounced on my order, but we need to take. Alright traders, we got the scalps. I'm going to place the stop loss to break even. Runner is just a bonus. We started with a trend range that had bullish imbalance. You can see every single major low is higher and higher. Then this downtrend didn't get new low tested, so because it pushed back above the EMA, I was forced to redraw brand new uptrend because bullish imbalance will kickstart new uptrend. We had a consolidation, so I was trying to buy at the bottom where the key entry point is, the support, the trend line. The bar is quite big, so I tried to use limit order, but it wasn't as deep. I didn't want to miss this trade because the support is holding so strongly, buyers are stepping in. I really wanted to be part of this trade. Right, traders, I'm tightening the runner below the significant push phase down. We have a almost felt second entry short that is coming up, which felt second entry short of EMA would be good to resume brand new uptrend, brand new push phase, excuse me. So I'm going to trail the runner below this swing and hopefully a new push phase will start. If it fails, it's still 8.5 points, which is a good run for us anyway. Alright traders, I'm tightening the runner to 21 points. We had a second entry long, but it wasn't full at the EMA, so it's not a really great trade to enter, but the uptrend still continues. Alright traders, I decided to close the runner for 30 points.